red team, and both the team will have a spy master who will give clue, and the team members have to guess the words based on that clue. So the spy master can not give direct clues based on the words they have, and they can give number of words related to that. Whichever the team that guesses all the words first, they will win. But there is a word which is a bomb word. Any team which clicks on that will lose instantly. So we will take turns to give the clues one after the other. And let's see who wins this game. And we're starting with the first game. Red Spy Master is Vikas, and I am the Spy Master for Blue Team. I have got Ansuya in my team. And Red Team has Kishore and Rohan to guess. Vikas is going to give clue. So let's start.
Go for it, Vikas.
Yeah, Rohan, all the best. You're going to lose anyway.
We'll see. Stay away from the black word, Vikas. That's it. Just...
But you can give clue for this one, gray one.
Yeah, the grey only. Just stay away from the grey ones. That's what I meant.
Ansuya is on
Okay,
mute, you know
Vikas.
why? She don't want to diss anybody.
Okay, so
Okay, Vikas.
Come on, Vikas.
I'm thinking. I need to give you a proper clue, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Don't give me
Don't
that
try
out
so
of the
hard
box.
also, Vikas.
Don't
try so hard.
Yeah, don't give out of the box clues like last time also, Vikas.
Kishore,
It's
you
very
can also
difficult.
help.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, you want me to give the first clue?
Yeah, that's how the game works.
You are the one who can only
Oh, yeah,
give the clues, right?
What happened to Vikas?
I am not a spy master.
Sorry, Rohan, I had to give you a tough.
No, like think about it. You
Hey, give no fast.
Eh. Arey?
Hey,
Okay,
yeah, you
Kishore
take
will be able to answer this. I
Oh,
will
Okay,
give-
please give the clue. Once.
Yeah.
give the clue.
Yeah, don't talk anything else.
Vertebra.
वर्टिब्रेट कौन से जानवर का होता है इसमें से यार एक्सटेंशन
Okay. Vertebra. Lizard.
it's either lizard or whale. I think it's lizard only.
Yeah. We'll go with lizard.
I've already done and done.
Super.
Nice.
Right answer. Good job, Rohan.
Good to you. Thanks. Okay. Breakfast.
Oh. It's
there are
opening two words.
two
Two
for
words
breakfast. Huh?
Yeah.
which are related to breakfast.
Okay, I'm gonna guess sandwich,
Good one.
and I'm going to guess. There are a couple of words which figure with breakfast.
Maybe
It's okay if I guess this wrong, Allah.
Maybe it's whale
Yeah.
meat.
Yeah, people have whale.
Yeah.
Hmm. No, people have seashell also. Usually the rich kind. They eat, sushi.
Yeah.
Or maybe pan.
Or
You mean like Peter Pan from Neverland?
yeah.
Amit, what is this, Amit?
You have to quickly mark something.
Hey,
Hello,
don't put
you're
pressure on her.
started
Yeah.
Or maybe
8 hours to send you a clue.
a block of cheese.
Distracting my teammates.
Okay. Oh no.
Thank you.
Amit.
Oh,
You are the best player of our team, Anusuya. Oh, sorry, you're in
Thank
other
you,
team.
thank
So
you.
sorry.
Yeah, I am very
So
generous.
sorry.
Generally.
Okay.
okay.
Vikas.
Because
Okay.
Hey, Vikas will give some complicated thing, okay? And he'll say Rohan will guess this.
Yeah. Last time for some Bolivia, he gave 6.
deal.
Deal. Extension,
Deal.
oscillator, figure. Dwarf, mattress, dawn. Negotiate the deal.
Yeah. Good
So
one.
smart, Rohan. Just to technically challenge, that's all.
Amit,
Not
can you give-
technically, technologically. Technically challenge.
Ah,
That would. I have a flat foot or something. Technically, huh? Sleep.
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 Okay, got it. Got
Ah,
it. Good.
Ah, nice. ठीक है. Vikas, your turn.
Vikas. Viku, Dada.
End turn.
Okay, this should be easy, I mean.
Okay.
For Kishore.
Beam.
Beam. Laser beam. Has to be laser beam.
Yeah, has to be laser.
Because I have also studied science, so please don't insult like that. Vertebra, okay, that was a little complex.
See, you went to-
Laser beam, everyone knows.
See, you went to college, but did you study?
No, I did not. C.
C. Okay.
I really hope you're talking about seashell.
Anusuya is trying to gauge with Amit's expression. Amit, please maintain a good poker face.
Yeah,
You know
I'm
what?
just smiling.
You know what Anusuya was doing? Anusuya was doing, I hope it is seashell. She maintained that face for 5
Because-
seconds.
This bugger has probably not seen one of the words, and he's just given it. Aren't you not supposed to use the words in the word?
Bro, don't insult your teammate, okay?
Yeah,
Sorry, I
We're supposed to play
insult
together.
bad performance all across the board.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna
Okay,
win, don't
Anusuya.
worry. Think. Easy.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And turn. Yeah. What is that?
Pearl.
Seashell.
Seashell.
Nice one. Nice one.
Come on, Amit, we can do it. How are they at 5?
And because they have extra word since they started first. So whoever starts will have 9 words. Hey, end turn, no? Guys.
Just come.
Okay.
But you were gonna say Peter.
Okay, and turn. Come on, Vikas.
We can win.
I was thinking a size of pizza.
Come on.
Really there though.
So I can give personal clues also, right?
Yeah. Just
Personal clues. What do you mean by personal clues?
I mean, like something that we have been through together or experienced.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
But you can't tell them like which instance that you guys have gone through together.
I mean, if I take somebody's name, they will be able to guess it directly.
Okay. Do that.
Okay. Kishore will be able to guess this.
Rohan, he's trying so hard to exclude you from the team.
Hey,
Savi,
what
this
kind?
What the fuck is this?
I'm trying to make it interesting for you guys.
Don't make it interesting, Vikas.
There are
Please.
It is very.
You're not-
words
It's very
that can
straightforward.
Yes, Savin is a honk. Like he keeps
Yeah.
honking. Like he has a honk,
Savin.
right?
match. Savin can still
Savin
say
is
him.
Clown,
There.
ninja, figure.
Savin is the Savin is the opposite of a dwarf. That is also there.
No,
Oh.
there is something obvious.
Hey,
I
don't
think,
because you can't talk. You can't
Oh,
talk
sorry,
after
I'm
you
sorry.
give clue.
Okay,
hey,
okay.
please.
Sorry.
Kishore, any idea?
I think we'll go with train because Savin is a trainer.
Oh.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Wow, was this this is why you gave Savin? Because
Yes.
trainer wala couldn't write some express or something. You had to write Savin.
Did you guess or not? That's the question. Like that's why I told it's
Just
Kishore.
struggled to guess. You could have written Shatabdi, something you could have written.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Amit,
Sunrise.
yeah.
Okay. Please don't make it interesting for anyone because let's just play the game. Game itself is very interesting. We'll play by the rules. We'll give easy clues.
And so I'm gonna take risk next, okay? I'm gonna
Done,
take
done.
risk.
Let's do it.
Okay.
ಏನ್ ಮಹಾ one game ಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
No, they won't win
We
also.
have a lot of time to catch up. Exactly.
Won't win.
This is not a battle, it's a war.
Okay, Vikas, please.
Okay. So this is easy, but you have to like use your brains.
Whenever
Wow.
Vikas says use your brain out of the box, it is going to fuck us all. Last time there was a word called Bolivia and he gave us che. So we were thinking six kahan pe hai six. Later we got to know some nahi. We had to guess Gerua song Gerua and he gave us che. Six kahan pe hai six kaun se kisse connect ho raha hai six and later he is telling us Che Guevara Che Gerua.
Oh God, Vico.
Box
Box.
state
Box stadium. Correct. There is actually a box stadium.
box extension box cliff box spring box figure box figure penny box America box ninja
American
block,
boxer. He's talking about that.
block is
Block, I
the
think.
closest one I feel.
Yeah.
I feel box cliff block
Wow, Vico.
okay whatever hey
Oh my God, what happened?
Hey Rohan, you actually went through it.
yeah, but obviously it was not that obvious. That's why I went through it and still couldn't guess it. I went through every word
No,
like that.
You went through, didn't use your brain. That's the
Oh,
thing.
I think it must be stadium.
Okay.
Box, I
like,
told you there is a box stadium.
so should I take risk since they have only 3 words and I think I don't need to take risk.
Take it, Amit. Actually, we're on the same now. Go for it, Amit.
Okay.
Still. See, if you tell 3 words, I'll have 3 guesses to make without losing a point. But
I
they
mean,
might get into
I don't want you to take that much risk and all. Like we can easily win. So
Amit, don't act like Virat Kohli.
why?
Going
bro?
for a draw when you can still win.
Okay, if you want to take risk, why would I? I mean, if my teammate says,
No, I wanna like boost Rohan's morale, Papa.
Ariana.
She's that.
Okay.
look at her eyes. Yo, bro.
Okay.
Over.
Oh,
He's that guy from Game of Thrones, I think.
I'm pretty
See,
sure.
if you're not sure, don't take risk. I am okay with it. We can still win.
But is the other one?
No, you can't say anything.
Because we are very, very close. No, I mean, we don't want to choose anything
Because
bad.
next time, give a nice clue and put 2 in comma. Okay, we're losing anyways.
No,
See,
let's
they're-
go with
They're
one.
under pressure. They're under pressure, bro.
Yeah.
No. Let's go with 2. Let's go with 2. We'll lose anyways after this. So let's go with 2. Trust me. Or let's go with 3 only. We are losing. Whatever clue you give.
End give. Like end
Whatever
the
clue you give, just make
God
sure
from
you
clown,
have
okay.
comma 3 because we are losing next time. Comma 3. Because comma 3. Okay.
Okay, think
Oh,
about
Rohan is
the last
so
one also.
sadist. He doesn't want to give us the joy of winning also.
What?
It's okay, Rohan. It's okay.
Vikas, what are you saying? Please, we don't want any intelligent out of the
Yes.
box clues. Let's give.
Because give clue for the grey word.
Sorry, guys. It's easy.
Anger.
But if you have
Okay.
to use the brain.
Right. One is cliffhanger.
Okay.
Cliffhanger done.
I wish I could talk to you guys.
Okay.
Extension, horseshoe,
I-
honk,
I wish I could tell Ansuya
Box.
the words.
figure,
Hanger.
figure hanger, penny hanger. Ninja, do you think ninja, because ninjas also hang and all, right? So do you think ninja could be one?
Sure.
Yes, absolutely. I like.
Hey, also last time box के लिए भी तो एक clue था ना? What do you think
Stadium.
is box?
Stadium.
Are you sure? If we go
Yeah.
wrong, no. I don't think it is stadium. Box stadium क्या होता है यार? Box cricket league के लिए stadium होगा. That is too far fetched. Box court. Is there anything called box
No,
court?
every stadium has a box. This thing where, like the VIPs
Box
and
seat.
others sit. Box
Hey,
seats.
I don't think Vikas would think that far also. Let's think about hanger. We'll go with ninja now. Ninja.
Ninja.
Hatari, ye
Hanger.
yeah.
America, hanger.
Ninja.
Hanger.
Ninja.
I think spring hangers have springs, no?
Yeah.
Oh shit, man! I'm so scared. I don't think he has thought that much also.
Hey.
Hey, let's guess. Kishore, whatever you say. What ninja or spring? We'll go with one. Ninja or spring.
Spring. Let's go with spring.
Okay, and we lost.
You'll be surprised to see.
We'll always be surprised when you're giving the clues, Vikas. Nothing new in that. That
Oh
Che
my
Gerua
God.
also we were surprised, but that's nothing to be proud of.
You are.
But the clown is already taken. How are you calling?
You.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
Lizard is also taken.
Your all your fears of losing are coming out in different ways. It's okay, guys.
Figure you are not.
You.
Oh, one word at a time and figure out.
Extension. No.
Amit, are you calling Anusuya figure?
Yes. Queen. Good one. Good one.
We won this game. We won this game.
What
Rohan.
was you? What was you? I didn't see.
Horseshoe.
Horseshoe.
Oh, nice. This is
Good one,
okay.
good.
Wait. Let's ask Vikas, what was box?
Dude, that is extension box.
Extension box.
Extension box.
Yeah, you have to think like Vikas when Vikas gives you clues.
Exactly. I also.
And
know.
also the other word was ninja. I'll just show you the.
Hey,
Hey.
I was telling you. Shit, man. It's okay.
Okay, 1-0. Now make Ansuya spy master.
And make me the spy master here.
Yeah.
Do you want to play Bollywood?
What
No,
Bollywood?
we'll play
It's
the
a Bollywood
normal.
set?
Yeah, that's a Bollywood set. Do you want to play a Bollywood set?
I don't mind. Are you good with Bollywood, Amit?
Yeah, decent. But you know what?
Like
we'll have-
Amit is definitely better than Vikas in Bollywood. I don't have any doubts.
Che Guevara. Okay, the one thing is, okay, in the Bollywood, it's so tough to give one word. I think we'll add two words to
Two
Bollywood.
words.
Two words. You can give two words, but don't give directly like the
Yeah.
clues. You can give related things. Because let's change it to Bollywood. Let's not keep time. One game. Ansuya is a spy master and Rohan is a spy master.
We are
Let's
winning
play
this.
ball.
Anusuya
No,
versus
you're not.
Rohan head to head. We
No,
are
you're
winning
not
this.
winning this.
Okay.
We saw no, bro. Like we have the results now. It's 1-0 as of now.
तेरे नसीब में
We'll start a new game.
not written.
Yeah, we'll start a new game.
Bollywood.
Bollywood. Change the settings to Bollywood. Oh, Ansuya, this all. Sorry, this has Harry Potter also, but I don't know Harry
Bollywood
Potter.
ala.
No. Harry Potter theme separately.
Oh, how cool. We'll get some Harry Potter players and play.
We
Have
have
we
no
shared our YouTube and Instagram link somewhere? Or
Yep. Instagram profile has the YouTube live link.
But we are live on Instagram also, right?
No, no, we are not live on Instagram. We are just
We are.
no. We are
I
telling
saw we
people
are
to
too.
go to YouTube.
Okay, I
on
said Bollywood
Insta.
as a theme.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Same teams.
Okay.
Same team. Let's go.
Hey,
Hey,
Spy Master is
Vikas.
again Amit and
Oh,
he did not change.
Change it. Because change it. Restart it, please.
Okay, don't leave the room this time. You can end the game. You can end the game and
Restart, end
restart.
the game, exactly.
Yeah,
Because now Vico has seen all the words.
yeah.
no, I can still give the clue, Rohan.
No, no.
No. We will try. We'll take chances.
End the game and restart.
Yeah, I can't see an option to end the game.
No, no. You have on the left or the bottom left corner, top or left alirutte.
Really, I'm not seeing.
No, no. It is there because last time also I did. Do not click on leave room. Aste.
ನಿಜ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Who's technologically handicapped now?
Yeah. No, you have the option on the right side. At least check. Scroll bar change ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, why don't you share your screen? We can guide you. I mean, I have a job like IT software engineer. This is my daily thing. Can you please share your screen?
Hey, which screen is that?
Vico,
Which part of the
ಈ chat
screen?
box, one ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಹಾ.
Chat box ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ end ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು.
No, that will leave the room.
That's
ಹಾ.
leave game.
No, you have the option there somewhere or down if you scroll down. I can't see it because I'm not a admin
No,
of this.
there is no option like that.
There is an option because last time I did that. Because last time I was the admin. Vikas can get OBS work, okay, but he can't get one option on this simple website.
Hey, no, I can't end. Why will
Yeah,
I
you,
lie?
you can, you're not just looking at the right options, just like your life.
Okay, I give up.
Okay. Hey, you can't give up, Vikas.
So we'll take a break.
No, give up.
No, no, no,
And
no.
then
The
we'll come back.
nature of their
No, no,
team.
why take a break? No need.
Guys, there
Okay,
is
we'll
no
play.
option.
Hey, Vikas,
Okay,
there is
ಈ
an
round
option.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಟಿಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, let's play. Okay, let's play this round. Okay, then
Okay,
you can.
Rohan,
change the
trust
time.
me, I'll give you proper clues.
I
Who is-
doubt you have not
Okay.
done enough to earn my trust till now, but we'll try.
Okay, I am blue team. No, cool.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
I am blue team. We are blue
Okay, red spy master, please.
Pray for me.
Yeah.
You need prayers. Otherwise you won't win.
I need players.
Oh, you don't have?
You can use 2 words because
Okay. Again, what two words?
yeah, you can use.
Ha ha
The
ha.
right spy master is sending a clue.
Oh, Kishore, that was damn good. I thought the game was talking.
Nice.
Arey, don't do that. Don't laugh because
Okay.
I
Wicked
feel
laugh.
scared.
It's okay.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Drugs. There has to be like
Urta Punjab.
हाँ, Urta Punjab.
Oh,
Like that is the easiest thing I could think of.
Oh shit! Don't tell me.
I am the blue spy master, no?
no, bro. Not me. For now.
What? Why?
For now, because Vikas could not change the spy master before starting the game.
Papa Ansuya. Finish it fast.
Bike.
Operators are cracking the code. Bike.
I think it has to be.
Doom.
Good.
We
Okay.
get the work. We get the work done without much fuss.
Okay.
Unlike
okay.
you.
Okay. This has to be the easiest one.
Okay.
Okay.
And because it's a caveat before your clue.
Can't see the easiest one yet with us.
Yeah.
Huh?
Where's the clue?
Why is it taking so long when it is the easiest?
Because it is one word, alva.
Ah, Baba.
Are Madhuri Dixit.
Ah, he was typing so many numbers. That's why it took so long.
Nice one, Vikas. This was, I think this has, you have reached the peak of your intelligence for this quiz.
Okay, done.
Oh, bhai, that was quick. Chalo, Vikas.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Vikas.
Okay.
Vikas, no word plays, okay? No word plays whatsoever. We'll try with direct clues.
Just use your brains if you have any.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Hey, that blurred background is removing Kishore's earphones also.
Yeah.
Okay, Rohan, I think you will be able to.
Okay. All the science question, Kishore will guess. All the Bollywood irrelevant things, I'll be able to guess. Nice. Chalo. Give the clue.
Unnecessary information. Rohan will guess.
Give the clue. Where is the clue, Vikas?
He's still typing it.
I think we should say I think Vikas, you can give a clue. Dhoom 1.
धूम 1 ना? यश चोपड़ा.
यश
यश चोपड़ा.
चोपड़ा.
एक सेकेंड. धूम 1 में और कौन था? आशा, टाइगर श्रॉफ, काजोल, श्रीदेवी, सचिन टंडन.
That is not Doom 1. Doom, one word.
It is not like Dhoom 1.
धूम में कटरीना कैफ थी. यश चोपड़ा ने धूम बनाई है. आदित्य चोपड़ा, I mean. So ठीक है, Katrina. We'll guess Katrina Kaif. I'm pretty
Katrina.
sure he didn't know about Yash Chopra.
Yash Chopra. Yeah.
We'll go with Katrina. Nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, we got it.
Oh!
I mean, it's our
Thank
word.
you.
It's our
Rohan.
word.
What the fuck
Okay.
is this, Vikas?
Hey, do 2 words next time.
Yeah.
Dude, why are you
Thank
listening to
you.
the opponents?
I'd like to.
No,
express
I'm
my
not.
You are.
Doom. Katrina Kaif was a part of Doom 3.
Thank you.
Okay, next time do 2. I realized.
Okay.
Mm. Lata Mangeshkar.
Okay. Come on, that's
That was super fast, bro. Super fast. Very
Yeah,
sure.
bro.
Give 2.
easy. You too.
Yeah. Give the clue for the next one. Don't give that Dhoom wala clue.
Oh, how fun it is to see you guys lose 2 times in a row. Why are you so bad? Don't you like winning?
What is it? Singer.
2.
Okay, first is
Asha, what have you
Dharma
done,
Production. Yes, Chopra. Kumar Sanu.
Kumar Sanu.
Wait. We'll see if there's any other. Sachet Tandon is also a singer. Okay, we'll go with Kumar Sanu only.
Oh,
Why did you select Dharma?
yeah.
Dhoom.
Oh, okay. Hey, did Dharma
What is
produce
Dharma
Doom?
Production?
Yes.
It's Yash Raj.
Yes.
Yes.
Dharma Production and
Yash Raj.
It's Yash Raj.
Yash Raj.
No.
Both.
It's only
Yash Raj and Dharma both.
Both.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Gully Boy is also a singer.
मेरे गले में
Vikas, please think of a clue that gives us 2 answers. Please, we need it next time.
Amit Sachet Tandon is also a singer. Just
I
saying.
know.
No, I'm sure Vikas didn't know, but still.
I hope you know this. Let's see if you can get this reference.
Bro, you're doubting my pop culture.
Oh, super bro. कौन है जो
Amit
कुक को मुड़ के
Chitty.
नहीं देखा?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's only the most iconic film of all time. And the most iconic character.
Okay, Vikas.
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Because
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ
you can
ಕನ್ನಡ
give up
ಬರೋರಿದ್ರೆ
right now.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Vikas, whatever it is, comma 2. Stay far away from gray and comma 2.
Why?
Because we are losing.
Oh, far away from. Okay. That I'll take care. Shouldn't be a problem.
आशिकाना ये दिल आशिकाना.
Next I'm gonna give a little tricky one. Okay, let's see if you can get it.
Shit.
Because what happened? Whenever you do this, I know that I'm going to click on the wrong options.
I can
and give them.
I have the
Use
sense
your
of
brain, friend.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
they don't say anything. Just give clue. Just give clue.
ಅದೇ ಈ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಮಸಾಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ.
Yeah.
Don't tell us who's going to solve that. We'll figure out. You just
okay, I mean it's slightly
You're supposed to use the
Okay.
words on the screen.
Guys,
Yeah.
just give the clue. Don't say anything. Just give the clue.
Don't overact.
Yeah.
Give the clue. KGF.
KGF. Okay.
Obviously, he means Tapsi Pannu. She was supposed to be cast in
K-
KGF.
No.
Sunny Deol, KGF, Rajesh Khanna,
Oh,
Badlapur.
Sunny. Correct. Sunny also ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
Okay.
Rajesh Khanna was supposed
I
to
feel-
play Yash's dad.
see-
I think it is Yash Chopra.
Why?
Yash was the actor in KGF, no?
Oh no!
Well, that does
Oh,
seem
no.
like a Vikas type of thought.
If that's the answer, it's going to be crazy,
Because you're sexy like
Yes,
so.
it is.
bro. I was thinking Badlapur because revenge stories and all. I started
Bullshit.
thinking, but good one.
use common sense.
Okay,
Oh
no,
my
no.
God.
No common sense. Think like
This-
Vikas.
This
Think
was
like
definitely
Think like
uncommon sense. This was.
Hey,
Okay,
ask
end
Kishore.
the game. End the turn, no, bro. Okay.
Bhai, Kishore saved us this time.
Let's see. Let's see if
Okay.
Ansuya can get it.
So
Come on,
Thappad is
it's easy.
obviously Tapsi Pannu. What's the other one? Is there Thappad in Gully Boy? Kishore is so happy. He should have been on my
Yeah.
team. Thappad से प्यार नहीं लगता है सब, or whatever that is. But that's also not an old movie, no? Did Kajol get slapped in some movie? I don't know. ನೀನ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಪಕ್ಕ ನಿನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು.
Okay.
Oh my god.
This is so obvious, Amit.
Yeah, with nice clue, no? It's a good clue,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thappad, the movie where Tapsi Pannu acted was also
Hello.
called Thappad, right?
You are not supposed to.
Oh, wait. So Tapsi Pannu. Who was the director of Thappad?
Sunny Deol.
Oh. Sunny Deol.
Actually, that would have made sense because his dialogue is "ये 2.5 kilo का हाथ है," and that is related to Thappad.
Yeah.
The
चलो,
only select Sunny
अनुसया.
Deol now. डब्बा. ये 2.5 किलो का थप्पड़. Okay. What directors are here? I trust you, Amit. I don't know if Anubhav Sinha is the director of Thappad, but he's the only director in this list. So, if it is a grey one, we go dying together.
Huh?
Vikas,
Good one.
Vikas, comma 4.
Wait. I still have one more guess, it says. Why?
No. Yeah, because you selected both the ones correctly, you still have the chance to guess. If you don't guess the wrong ones, you can just keep selecting until one extra. But end the turn. Enough. We have enough. We have enough. We can win.
Comma 4. Vikas, please, comma 4 with whatever you have.
Just write one sentence connecting everything.
I can write a sentence.
No. I'm just joking. Like, what?
Only one word you can
You
take.
can write 2 words, Vikas. Use those 2 words really well and then
Yeah.
give us.
He can't use 2 words, no? One.
He can.
Yeah. I mean, 2 words. Like, Bollywood, it's not easy to give 1 word. I told give 2 words.
Oh,
Come
but
on,
we are
Vikas.
winning with 1 word. It seems like you don't like winning. Why do you always seem to be losing? Rohan, don't you have any shame? If you did, you'd play well in this game.
It could
No,
have been
you see,
Rohan.
I am not able to give clue for one thing.
Rohan, you had a chance to be part of Ansuya's team and win all the games.
You had to go
But
and be.
If I am the spy master, we'll win the game.
No, it all started the way you
You're still
messaged.
being very arrogant.
I messaged both of you the
Vikas.
same thing.
Yeah.
Come on, Vikas. You can do it, Vikas.
Because just like, give up, bro. Now is the time to give up. I mean,
Comma 4. Just remember 4. Okay.
we can
Just
start the
remember
new
4.
game and win.
There is a lot of common, but I'm pretty sure that is not that those words are not ours. But at least 2.
What is the point? What is the point
on,
of
Vikas.
guessing 2 when we are gonna win?
Yeah.
Vikas, what happened to you? Vikas?
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
4, comma 4, comma 4 is important. Comma 4 is important. Okay.
Rohan doesn't like losing, especially after last week's performance.
Oh,
Serious.
no, I think he
Very
better
good.
get used to losing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You next.
Because-
Oh, Antagana, the game is in your hands, dear.
Unusual movie.
4.
Unusual movie. Yeah. What?
See,
Okay.
unusual. Think from my perspective.
Unusual. Dolly Ki Dolly is, I feel, is an unusual movie. We can go with Dolly Ki Dolly. What do you think, Kishore?
I think we'll go with DDLJ.
It's an unusual.
From Vikas's perspective,
It's an unusual movie.
Kishore.
Yeah.
Because perfect perspective, the whole Bollywood is unusual. We'll go with
Dude, you don't
Okay.
know. He likes Bollywood, okay? He
Dolly
watches
Ki Dolly. We'll go with Dolly Ki Dolly because it's like unusual. Wait, we'll see.
Rohan, that's
Badlapur.
unusual for you.
Badlapur is also unusual because the actress dies in the first 2 minutes of the
Rohan, why do you listen to those guys?
Hey, because you
Yeah.
can't talk anything.
sorry.
You have given the clue.
Vikas can shut
good,
up,
good.
yeah.
movie. Okay, we need 3 more. We need 3 more.
I am sure
Unusual-
Ramlila.
Do you think Ramlila?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa! Nice.
You're in the
Nice.
game, bro. You're in the game.
Okay, now I think it's very difficult for him to like include also. I think the next two answers are may not be movies. Let's guess with wait. Okay, Gully Boy, the Gully Boy, no. Okay, so he was having difficulty in giving clues. Okay, so we can use that.
Whoa, Rohan.
Over analyzing.
It
Sherlock
could be,
Holmes.
see, it could be Sachet Tandon, Sridevi, Dola Re Dola also. It is definitely not Tiger Shroff because that's the easiest one to like give clues about. We'll go with Sachet Tandon. No, Sachet Tandon मैंने
No, I still think we should go with DDLJ.
DDLJ. I don't know, man. I think it's easier to give clues about DDLJ. Can we go with Sridevi? I think Sridevi is again a difficult one to pass clues with.
Unusual movie, right? I am sure.
No, unusual movie is over. He can't include all 4. He just gave unusual movie and 4 because I asked him to give 4. So I think we have ticked 2 unusual movies. Now we have to go with. The
No,
other
but I'm sure he would have some relation to unusual movie.
Trust me. I have played with this game with Vikas.
Kishore,
Difficult.
you know my Vikas
We'll
was
try
born
Sridevi,
after
okay?
that.
We'll try Sridevi and then we'll see if we can. 3, 2.
We win. Thank you.
What are the other two? What are the other two?
Rajesh
You
Khanna and
can do
Kajol.
field operative view and see, Rohan.
Oh, okay. Rajesh. Tiger Shroff was not there.
So how does
Okay.
it feel, Rohan? Okay, Vikas, before you start the game,
Yes.
change the spy master.
Rohan
Please.
is a spy master.
Yeah.
Okay, in our
And
side,
me.
Ansu as a spy master. My side.
Are you still playing Bollywood?
Yeah, we'll play. Hey, this is the last game, no? We'll play and close it.
Hey, Rajesh Khanna and Kajol were unusual movie.
Kishore, it is not like that.
Yeah, it would be unusual if they both play in the same movie.
So it is not unusual. It is not like that. So two clues for unusual movies, like Rohan guessed. 2 clues for unusual movies. 2 is random hit that you are taking.
Random.
Like you are taking
Rohan-
your luck.
But Rohan correctly analyzed
Yeah,
Vikas.
Yeah.
He said there is
Of course.
no way. There is no way.
Yeah, actually, I would have gone with Kishore. Had I been guessing, I would have also said DDLJ Hakana, Adakana, Idakana.
And so now you are spy master. Give easy clue, okay? My knowledge is very less.
Done.
Okay.
Rohan's not here.
Okay, he'll come. Don't worry.
Rohan.
Okay.
Rohan's giving up before the
Spies.
game started also.
Okay.
Oh, bhai. Okay, we are
shit.
red.
It's tough.
We are
man.
red. We're red, right?
Hmm.
Oh, I don't know many things in this. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I know some.
Amit, you and I are blue, no?
Yeah, we are blue. I know the director names and all those things. Okay, don't worry.
We'll get this, Amit.
Yeah. That's it.
We'll get it.
Okay. No idea.
Dil Diya Galla. Okay, 2. Dil Diya.
Neenalla.
Yeah, I know. It's them.
Dil Diya Galla.
I've heard this song, but
Rohan, when you give clue, no, think
Yeah,
about your
Think about
teammates.
Vikas.
Teammates, not your level.
Seriously.
See, that's the difference between being player and spy
okay,
master. You could have
I
guessed.
think I'm closer to this. Okay.
Dil Diya
Two.
Galla.
So that means this song is from Dam Laga Ke Aisha, okay?
Dam Laga Ke Aisha. Okay.
Bollywood died 100 deaths.
Amit, you want to help or you
Hey,
want
wait,
No.
hey, I got it. Wait. It is actually a singer. Dil Diya Galla, what
And so,
Rohan
yeah,
is trying to tell is
We have won
singer.
the series.
Singer.
We won
Then
the
Atif
series
Aslam.
already.
So there are, how many singers are there in this?
Atif Aslam, Remo D'Souza.
Remo D'Souza dancer, no? No, okay. So
Remo
then,
is singer also.
okay, then it is,
Rohan,
okay, Rohan, it
it's
is,
better to give up right now.
it is
To
Atif
save your
Aslam.
embarrassment. Abhi, just leave the game. I'm telling you now.
Okay,
You want to save some
Yeah.
face, me?
okay,
And
Kishore,
so-
one is Atif Aslam for sure.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have to guess the second one. Like he might have, movie director or music director.
Hey, no. Do you know which movie this song is from?
What are the movies that are there in this?
Who are the actors? I somehow feel this has got to do something with Salman Khan.
Hey, no, Dil Diya Galla hai Salman Khan. I think there is a female singer with.
No, I kind of remember it has got something to do with Salman Khan, so it must be Ekta Tiger. Trust me, we'll go with Ekta Tiger because I don't think anything else. I am definitely sure I have seen this song linked to Salman Khan for this thing.
Then Kishore, we will. If it is a black word, then we will close the game.
That's okay, no? Anyways, otherwise we are losing.
Okay.
Adu, confidence.
Hey,
Nice one, Kishore. Oh,
Rohan was waiting. He's like, please, guys, please.
Held his breath for 800
Bhai
minutes.
Sahab, Vikas discussing this answer was giving me panic attack.
What? See, ultimately we arrived.
I love
There are two singers, Atif Aslam, Remo D'Souza.
What? Remo D'Souza is a singer? No, he's a dancer.
No, he's a choreographer.
Exactly. Oh my God. See, I was right.
I am really sorry.
Huh.
End the turn. End the turn.
I am talking about that yesteryear Remo.
Okay. End the turn. Let's see.
Remo, Remo. One word or two words? Clue.
It's up to you. Make
You
it
can't
easy.
give synonyms. That's
Yeah. You can use 2 words and give 2 words also.
Hmm. Okay.
Just make sure it's not the grey word. It's nowhere close to grey word.
Yeah. This is simple.
Okay. Arijit and Katrina.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
very easy. तुम ही हो. तुम ही हो ना. Very straightforward.
One is Sheila Ki Jawani. Arijit.
ಓ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಎರಡೆರಡು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್
hey, yeah.
You can give 2 words is what I said.
Okay. ठीक है.
then I would have given comma and given a separate
Yeah.
clue.
I mean, you can't give comma and say, yeah, we can't do that. Is what I'm saying. Like 2 words related to same thing you can give. Don't use comma, hyphen,
Oh.
all those things.
You didn't say clarify that.
Okay. Okay. Arijit.
Then we will also get one chance to
Yeah.
do
You
a
can do. Yeah,
separate
you can do that. Yeah. Okay.
Siti, you have
Arijit
to
has
fight
sung
for
in
your rights, Arun, see.
Dilwale. Yeah, bro. I accept.
Yeah.
Tum Hi Ho was sung by Arijit. Yeah, so I'll go with that. Papo Badai Ho, I don't know. Tum Hi Ho. Okay.
You can actually guess 3, but yeah, just try guessing 2, or you can guess 3, whatever.
Or you can choose to lose also.
Okay.
That's
Race.
not a choice.
Race is
Hey, dam laga ke aisa?
Katrina Kaif. Race is Katrina Kaif.
No. Dam laga ke aisa movie is about picking up your partner and running.
Katrina Kaifali ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay, बधाई हो ना.
One is dam laga ke aisa, definitely.
Hey, one second. Badai ho is also about being fat, right?
No, dam laga ke aisa I clicked.
Okay. Badai ho is where, okay. Where
Let us
is-
see other. Hey, race bhag milka bhag.
Wait a second. That is a good Varuna. Is there anything that is related to race with Nitish Tiwari? No. Is there anything that is related to Talwar? Race with Talwar or something that is fat? No. So you can cut the fat Talwar. Ataranu alla. So Newton. Okay, Newton. No Newton.
Newton Rajkumar.
Okay,
Rao's
Abhishek
movie.
Bachchan is race. Abhishek Bachchan is race.
No, you are confusing race, Doom and Abhishek Bachchan.
Okay, Bagh Milka Bagh is race. That is right.
Yeah, Bhag milka bhag has to be very close to race. Click. Super.
Oh.
Good.
Okay, so now you can't give comma and all. Okay.
Okay. We have one more guess.
One
left.
more.
Yeah, you have one more guess. Correct.
Okay, Dilwale is not about being fat or race. Band Baja Bharat is not about being fat or.
No, fat I think was only linked to Dam Laga Ke Aisa.
Okay, race then matlab Karan Johar, is there Karan Johar in race? Is there Ilyana in race? Raj Kapoor race, no. What?
Just letting you know, if you guys have doubts, you can like end turn. I thought if you could guess, then you can. But if you have doubts, you can also end turn. And
Yeah.
Radhika Madan, did she sing the song? Okay.
Enton, better Enton.
Okay, my turn, no?
Raj Kapoor.
SRK. Okay, Shivari, Newton, Abhishek Bachchan, Shahbaz. Okay, Shahbaz, SRK was there. Dilwale, he was there. Dilwale.
Perfect.
Band Baja Bharti Vijayabalan, Remo,
Sakkada koಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಅನ್ಸೂಯ.
Karan Johar also SRK.
SRK.
Very nice.
Karthik Aryan also SRK. He's planning to
No,
do next movie with
no
it.
thanks. No thanks. Thank you guys.
No, he's actually launching Karthik Aryan.
Okay.
He's already
Go with
launched.
Dilwale.
Yeah.
Yeah, Samir, good
Good
job.
one. Good one.
Hey bro, check other color also, no?
Yeah.
Yellow is fine, but still.
Go for it, guys.
Tell no English word, Punjabi word,
Punjabi word is
Urdu.
Sadi Gully.
Urdu word. Give like that, no, bro. Easy to win.
Because Sadi Gully.
Sadi Gully. Okay. Shawa
Yeah.
Shawa, is it a Punjabi word?
Yeah, it is. Shava Shava.
Vidyabalan is not.
It is. I am telling you because in that movie Kal Ho Na Ho, against Gujaratis were against Punjabis. They sing Shava Shava.
Bro,
No,
this
they
is,
don't.
This
Oh,
is from
God.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, no? Shawa
Yeah,
Shawa.
Kishore.
Yeah, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, sir.
Okay.
Hey, no, Kal Ho Na Ho.
No.
Okay,
Kabhi
Kabhi
Khushi
Khushi Kabhi
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Okay.
Kalona is Mahi Way.
Mahi Way.
Okay, bro. Connect 2 or 3 if possible. I'll give it a try.
Okay.
Clue ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನ. Oh, you guys have guessed only 3 till now.
But
Oh, okay.
bro, that is your thing. We'll win anyway. Don't worry.
I like your overconfidence.
See, overconfidence is Rohan's first name. His overconfidence, Rohan Karyappa.
I'm trying to see the others also.
Who are you seeing these days?
Yeah.
It's okay, Amit, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಏನು ಇದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Give 2 if possible. Let's say. Isaac Newton, that I know. Isaac Newton to 1. But what is the second one?
I think Remo D'Souza.
Remo D'Souza.
Because Isaac is Christian, Remo D'Souza is
Bro.
Wow.
Ileana D'Cruz also ship.
The Cruise.
You remember Rohan, last time I had given you clue saying ship.
He gave ship, okay, and then we are thinking ship wali related movie. There is Ghazi, there is Razi, so we clicked all of that because both of them are related to like someone.
Isaac.
Later, he's like ship, matlab cruise, Ileana D'Cruz.
Remo D'Souza, Isaac, Abhishek Bachchan, Vidya Balan. Okay, I don't know because there is nothing that is related to Rajkumar Rao. There is only one thing I can relate it is Badai Ho 2. Rajkumar Rao is gonna be part of that. I'm gonna take a risk. Let's see.
Yes, good
Hila.
job, Amit.
Hila, bro.
Congratulations.
Good game. We have a chance.
GG, bro.
Nitish Tiwari.
Guys, think.
Same
Say-
acronyms.
Nice one, bro. Directly tell off though. Say
Hey,
directly.
what is that? Why I did not say anything directly.
Same
I did not give the.
Kishore, what do you mean by acronyms?
Acronyms. Okay, it must be Vidya Balan and Vasant Bala. VB.
Oh.
Oh my God,
Kishore,
Kishore.
like a lighting very fast. bro.
Aste. No doubt.
Yeah. Done.
Whoa. Okay.
Wow.
Ansaya, we have
Nice.
to give 3 and somehow connect it. We have 2 words, no? Don't use comma and all. Something we can connect using first and second word. 3 clues.
Oh, I think I can guess one more word. Rohan, do you want me to guess?
No.
End your turn, friends.
And your turn.
Okay.
As if you are going to give clue faster.
I will.
We have 2 words. We can split it out. Like first one, second one, something like whatever. Let's see.
Raj Kapoor. Band Baja Barat. Aryan.
So if we win, they should be greatest win in the history, no? Rohan? Hell no, Rohan. Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. That
But,
means that there is one
I-
word which is a little complicated, but I'll guess. Let's see.
Anupriya,
Hmm.
when are you planning to give out the clues? You see how quickly we are. You see how quickly we are getting over it, and then we just have one word remaining. No pressure, but if you don't get it right now, you will lose.
Okay.
Okay, Amit.
Okay.
Fine.
Metallic Assam. Okay. Metallic is Talwar. 1. Okay. Assam.
Hey, Metallic is also Abhishek Bachchan, no?
Why?
Okay. Papo is from Assam, that side. Talwar. Papo. Now I have to select one more, no? That I don't know what. Okay. Nitesh Tiwari, what and all the films he did.
Mukti Bhavan.
Mukti Bhavan is about death and Varanasi. That is not in Assam. Radhika Madan, I don't know. She's from Assam.
Yeah.
Karthik Aryanto, not. Remo D'Souza is not Gujarati.
Radhika's mom is Assamese.
What?
Radhika's mom is from Assam.
Hey, I did not click. What happened?
I don't know.
Oh, I was just hovering around that. It got clicked.
Sorry. I influenced you to click that.
No. No, I was hovering around that. Like you have a psychotic, what do you call it?
Come on.
Guys, just think very simple. Don't overcomplicate it, okay?
Okay.
very
UP surname
nice.
Tiwari.
Wow.
Very nice.
Rohan, very nice.
What?
Yeah.
It can be Kapoor also, no?
Hey, Kapoor is Punjabi. Yeah.
Vikas is the worst player. He's a nightmare. I'm telling, don't overcomplicate. It can be Kapoor also. Why Tiwari is the most common surname? That's why I used him as the.
Do you guys
Oh
want to
my
play one
God.
last game
Yes,
with
yes.
the timer
Yeah.
on?
Yes.
Yeah, with timer on.
Vikas, wait. Vikas, change the timer to 30 seconds.
Yeah, I just started.
Okay?
Is there a timer or not?
No.
There is a timer. No timer, why? There should be a timer, bro.
No, I clicked start, it started.
Okay, he started.
Why-
He
why-
started. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, we'll start. Okay, we're gonna go fast, right? Okay, we have to close it in 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So within 30 seconds, give the clues, and then we'll close it.
Okay.
ನಿನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಅದು ಓಕೆ
No.
ಫೈನ್
No problem. Let's do it.
Hey, we'll play full. Amit, ಏನು
No,
ಹರಿ
no.
ಮಾಡು.
I have to go.
Okay.
Oh, 1 o'clock, no?
No. I have to go now. We got a call.
Hey, where are you, Amit? Gokarna.
Yeah. I'm in Gokarna.
ಓ
Hey, Sunday, what call you have?
Guys, I've given you the clue. Please.
SRK 3.
SRK 3, Don, Veer Zara. Oh shit. Yeah, we are red, no? Okay. We'll go with Don, Veer Zara.
Hey,
Oh.
Kishore.
Shit.
Don't hurry. Don't hurry.
Yes.
Okay, you know this clue. Next time I'll give you another clue and remember the first
Yeah.
clue. Okay, you know
Okay.
the other two.
Very
I'm
nice,
sure.
Rohan. Very nice, Rohan. Getting back to the game. Answer 1 kodu, 1 or 2.
ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆದ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ
Yeah.
ಬೇರೆದು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್
So guys, we have
Ikra.
two from the previous
Ikra.
one left.
Okay.
Remember that.
Yeah,
My
2
next
from the
ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು
previous.
ಅಂತ
Yeah, and my next clue would not have anything related to that. My next clue would
Okay.
be completely independent.
Salman movies. Okay. Kahani Allah share. Hum tum. Munni Badnaam. Okay. Munni Badnaam. I'll keep it. And Fat. No. Bhumi Pinakar. Jobi Dobi. Padman. No. Nirja. Dhamal. Krish. Gulab Gang. No. Chalte Chalte. It's not. Drishyam. A Death in the Gunj is not. Ranbir Kapoor. No. Karan. Dabang. Correct. Dabang. Then Sultan.
ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ
Okay, guys.
Hijack movie. Ooh.
Hijack movie, Nirja. And from the previous one, Karan Arjun.
You should have given 3, no?
So from previous one, we have 2 pending. SRK. Karan Arjun. Press madana. Yeah, Karan Arjun.
We have one
Hijack
more.
movie, Nirja.
We have one more, right? No,
Yeah.
there is one more SRK movie.
In one more SRK movie also, and Hijack movie also, there is one more. So
Gulab
Chalte
Gang.
Chalte is Shah Rukh Khan only, right?
I think. Wait, Kahani is not. Hum Tum is Hum Tum Shah Rukh Khan's
No,
movie?
no. Hum Tum is Saif Ali Khan.
Okay.
Oh, Kishore.
Okay.
Oh,
Fat.
he knows.
No.
Bhumi Padnekar, no. Krish, Dhamal, Padman, Zubi Dubi, Gulab Gang.
No.
Then there is only one option left, that is Chalte Chalte.
Chalte, yeah.
Okay, there is one more, Death in the Gunj. This can be a hijack movie.
Or even Kahani, because Kahani is about a kidnap, right?
If you have doubts, you can end it.
Hey,
Yeah,
Rohan,
it's
don't
already
talk.
ended.
We
Don't
ended it.
Okay.
Guys,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
ended it. Rohan did not talk before that.
Rohan is like, I can't, trust my teammates. Like, he gets mini heart attack.
Like whenever Vikas is talking, I don't know what Vikas has in him. He always scares me.
Why? Rohan.
It was a very like easy clue that hi Jai wala, but it's okay.
Oh, there was one more hijack movie you were telling.
No, it's okay. I'll give next time. Forget about that.
Hey, you can't talk anything, Rohan, now.
Okay.
But anyway, we are winning. Okay. Fat Queen 2. Okay. Kahani, Aishwarya Rai, Hum Tum, Fat Queen. Oh, okay. Fat Queen 2. Dead Ishkan Adrishyam, Adatinda Gunj is not Zubi Rubi, Padman, Dhamal,
ಈ ತರ
Krish.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, it is as similar as giving a comma.
Comma, yeah, it's okay. We'll also do that next time.
Hum Tum. Queen, who is Kangana Ranaut is Queen. Okay. Fat Queen, who is fat? Iswail, Munni Badnam is not. Krish, Dhamal, Gulab Gang is not. Fat Queen. I think it's
Why is it not? Why
Bhumi
two? This is not 2.
Bhumi Pednekar, I think she went from fat to queen. Dam Laga Ke Haisha to new movie. Let's.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮೆತ್ತ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, but this was not like comma and.
Yeah, this is not a comma thing. This is a
Of
proper
course it is that, yeah. What are you
course it's
saying?
not.
Queen
Why
and then
not?
fat. Queen and fat. What else?
No,
What
it
And-
was
and
Bhumi
it was
Pednekar
fat.
is fat queen.
It was fat
Yeah.
queen, dude. It is not queen and
No,
fat.
wait. It was
Okay, then
there was
we'll interchange the two words from the comma. It will become a
Rohan,
word.
wait. UP surname, bro.
Yeah, UP surname is not. What is that? What's there? That
Hey,
it's not a synonym.
So
listen,
direct.
Ahmed. You see,
Acronyms.
See what
Similar
you
acronyms.
wait. So it is not about the two words that you used. It's about the apostrophe that
Yeah.
you
Quotes.
guys
Okay.
used. The quotes.
Okay.
So that gave you a clue that okay, this is a separate word and this is a separate word.
I am including 2 clues in one name. Fat queen is
Okay.
Bhumi Pednekar.
Okay, Rohan.
Queen is that one.
Rohan, take it. Anyway, you're gonna lose. Take it.
Rohan, same strategy. Same strategy.
Yeah.
Like UP surname.
Yeah.
Like South Indian meals. Yeah, you put all those things.
Yeah.
Guys, we're going by the same
Strategy.
Oh, very nice. Neerja, acronyms.
Okay, Neerja has been played by Sonam Kapoor, so it has to be Sonam Kapoor. And
Acronyms. Like last time, there is one more acronym here.
so Sonam Kapoor SK.
See, there is Drishyam and Dhamal. Not
Okay.
that.
Rohan cannot give reactions.
Okay,
Wait.
Hum Tum and Kahani and Krish. Wait. Dhamal and is there Kahani K? Anything starting from K? No. Kahani Krish. Fuck. Rohan, this is a very tough one, huh?
I will punch you, Vikas. That's all.
मेरी तो फट गई.
This and all you can tell after,
Oh.
later, Rohan.
I think there is something related to Sonam Kapoor only. Yeah, I think there is something related to Sonam Kapoor.
Hey, Ranbir Kapoor.
Our turn. Hey, we have a chance. We can win.
Oh, what? Why are you over analyzing things?
Rohan, don't talk.
Yeah.
I know. Appa, the game is not over yet.
Fuck, man.
Come on. Come on, Rohan.
How could you miss the last one? Wait, it's okay. Next time.
Yeah.
Okay, we are not doing that comma wala now, right?
No, no,
No.
no, comma wala.
No, we don't need it.
Okay.
Okay,
Because
that's
you
the
guys
confidence.
already used
A
it.
1.5. Okay. Only one, no. Dead Ishkia. Dead.
This is the great clue for Amit. Amit,
Oh,
synonyms in different languages. Synonyms in different languages were not
UP
allowed.
surname is also
No,
okay.
it's-
UP is not synonym. UP is
Bro.
not a synonym.
It's similar to UP surnames, bro.
How is that? Synonyms were not allowed,
Because
na?
it's a direct clue, Baba. That's what we mean.
Okay,
UP
right.
surname is a direct clue.
Oh. Guys, I'm expecting you to know a little bit about this movie. Okay?
We'll have 1,000 views on the YouTube today because of Vikas leg.
October 2.
What is October 2 a movie?
Rohan, Vikas is in your team, Rohan. How
But-
do you keep forgetting this?
Come on, guys.
Kishore, have you seen October 2?
What the fuck is happening?
Rohan, 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 I would have guessed it. I would have guessed it, but it's okay.
Oh my God, Rohan. I also would have guessed.
Yeah.
But I'm not in your team because someone wanted to be arrogant.
Guys, come on.
October 2nd.
Kishore, we try to eliminate things from October 2, okay?
Okay.
So
Yeah,
what is
October-
it? It cannot be
Rohan.
Kahani.
Rohan, you
No.
don't talk or don't give any expressions, okay?
It cannot be. It cannot be
You are too
Kahani.
expressive.
It cannot be Aishwarya Rai. And it cannot be
How
Hamtu.
are you eliminating? On what basis are you
It's
eliminating?
okay, it's
all
okay.
that?
Answer. It's
I
okay,
don't
it's
have to answer you, Ansuya.
okay. Let them finish off.
Okay, so October 2 is not Munni Badna Movie. October 2
Wow.
is not Thanu Weds Manu. Thanu Weds Manu, I still think there is some chance of having October 2. Maybe their court case was due on October 2 or something like that.
I am enjoying this thoroughly.
Okay, there is no Padman में October 2 no chance, Krish में October 2 no chance, Dhamal में October 2 no chance, Drishyam में no chance.
Ah.
Gulab.
remember
So either it is Tanu Weds Manu, Fat or Death in the Gunj. These three are my strong guesses.
Ansya, we'll play normally. The direct
Yes,
comment.
Amit,
Simple.
ಈ ತರ
Simple.
guesses ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ
October 2 is Gandhi Jayanti. Anything to do with
Rohan, can you go off camera? You're giving away too
Don't.
much in your expression.
Don't,
Turn off
don't.
your video, Rohan.
No, don't turn off because the layout may mess up.
We want
there.
to see his face when he loses, no? Yeah, okay.
Guys, fast, guys. We have to close, guys.
Hey, 30 seconds ಅದೇ
I
ತುಂಬಾ
think,
time ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು.
see, October 2,
Rohan, I'm so sorry, bro.
Kishore, do you know anything
Hey,
about Gulab Gang?
No. But I think Drishyam movie has got to do something with that.
No.
Rohan,
You can't Google
congratulations.
on the side and then do
Rohan,
something and all.
congratulations on giving that clue, bro. I mean, you did a great job.
I think it is Death in the Gunj, Kishore.
You overestimated Vikas. I'm glad.
Drishyam.
Oh, Kishore.
Oh,
अक्टूबर 2 को हम सत्संग गए थे गुरुजी के.
oh bhai.
That's a
Bhai,
meme.
Kishore, you are a winner, Kishore. For me, you are the winner of this quiz. Ah.
And the turn. Look at him. Look at
Don't,
Rohan.
if you want, you can guess from the previous clue that you couldn't guess.
Hey, you can't
Oh.
say that, Rohan. You can't say that.
I
can't-
didn't say anything.
Hey, what did you say? You just
I just said
guess
you
from the
can guess
previous
from the
one.
previous clue, yeah.
Yeah, you were supposed to end the turn.
No.
Yeah,
Wait, what was the previous clue?
See,
Because
they don't even remember that.
You guys don't remember. Wait. what is
Hey,
it?
Rohan, don't talk. You're going
If you guys don't remember, then end it. Otherwise, do.
Hey, wait. What did we select last time? Ranbir Kapoor. Okay, acronyms.
acronyms, Neerja acronyms.
Is it Neerja acronyms?
No. Neeraja, Sonam Kapoor.
Oh, Tanu Weds Manu. Can it be acronym? I'm just asking you, Kishore.
No, acronym is like short form.
Short form. Oh.
Abbreviation acronym tara.
Kishore, whoa.
Oh, okay. Nice.
So,
Anshuya, is
see,
there
I
a
didn't
team
know
to-
what acronym
You're brilliant, Kishore. Kishore, brilliant.
No,
Why
no.
is Kishore logged
I think
in as
Vikas
1, 2, 3?
selected it.
No, but you explaining it to Vikas at the right time before he could click something else was brilliant.
Oh.
So that explains, the word also explains Rohan's condition. Fat.
Oh, bhai, it's so difficult. Thank God. How do you not guess what PHAT they've given?
Yeah, I didn't know what acronym meant.
Acha.
ನಾನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಮಿತ್ ಬಟ್
But what is PHAT? Is there a movie called PHAT?
Yeah.
No,
Then?
it's pretty hot and talented. What poor
Yeah,
losers
that's a movie. That's a movie in
It's not a
Bollywood.
movie.
Yeah.
An English
PHAT
movie.
here?
That's an English movie. That's an English movie, right? PHAT Girls.
Really? I don't. Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, Amit. I hope you can think this through. I know you can get it.
Okay, let's try. Crime groups. One is Gulab Gang. Okay, one is Gulab Gang.
The other one
Okay.
is Kahani.
Kahani. Okay, Munni Badnaam Hui.
And Death in the Gunj also has a,
Has what? Tell me.
Crime gang.
Crime. There is no crime gang.
Yes.
I've seen
Don't
that
say
movie.
anything.
Okay,
Because
bro.
don't say anything, okay, please.
Bro,
I have seen the Death in the Gunj.
bro, Death in the Gunj doesn't have a crime. It's just one guy dying.
Amit, why are you talking to him? Why are you
Okay,
entertaining
Amit,
him?
that is Death in the
Do
Gunj
your
what
thing.
you are speaking.
Okay. Crime groups. Hum Tum to not. Tanu Vets Manu to pakka not.
Tanu-
Padman to pakka not. Zubi Dubi is not. Death in the Gunj is not done.
Dhamal is actually
Okay.
a story based on crime group. Like they were
Okay.
about to steal a
Aishwarya
car.
Rai to she would have like added something.
Doom Tunnel, she was a criminal.
Okay. In Krish is not Kahani. Okay, I'll go with Dhamal because under that W shape wala tree ke andar wo crime
Amit,
group
you don't
goes
have to
and-
explain it to Anasuya to get her.
Because I win, bro. In your face,
job.
bro.
Good job. Good job.
Because-
You lost. Good
Because why are you giving them ideas that Dhamal is a crime group?
Hey,
stuff
I
like
have
that?
not seen Dhamal only. I was
Bro,
just
I know Vikas better. Okay, I know what movies he has not seen. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, Rohan. It's okay. Thank you so much,
Rohan, you
guys.
lost. Rohan, you lost. You lost.
Rohan is a
Oh,
loser.
we won.
Rohan
Oh, we
is a
won.
loser. Rohan is a loser. Dude, how many times did you get the heart attacks, bro?
Whenever Vikas opened his mouth, every time. Kishore in the team was a great help. Otherwise,
Was the great? Was the only help? What
only
else
help,
help you had?
acronyms,
two, Gandhi
acronyms,
Jayanti.
acronyms. Krish and Karan Arjun are acronyms. Krish Kahani, Karan Arjun. What have you done wrong?
Krishna and
PHAT.
Dhamal are
It's
acronyms.
written PHP.H.A.T.
Yeah, Amit, you
and
just
Dhamal.
so if you're going, you just mute your video. Then I'll just replace Rohan and Ansuya in one team. Me and Kishore in one team. We'll play one.
What?
One-on-one, you guys can play.
Yeah. So you don't exit the room, Amit.
Guys, I have to leave.
Oh.
ठीक है, we'll leave,
Doctor
we'll
is
leave, we'll
waiting.
leave.
Oh.
Yeah.
Chalo,
We'll
we'll come
go.
back.
Okay, guys.
We'll come back
Chalo.
next week.
Yeah,
Next
yeah.
week with hopefully with more players so that Rohan can lose better. Okay,
So
guys.
by now he is used to losing, so it doesn't matter how he loses. No, it's okay.
So if you're watching it live, please subscribe to Indian Improv Tribe YouTube channel and go to our Instagram page.
Yeah.
Follow us, like our post, and you will get
Newborn
updates.
baby is 3 kilogram. Please like us on Instagram.
Okay.